Start with the great name of Almighty Allah, who is King of Kings. This is Mehtab Mushtaq from Department of BBA, Sindh University Campus Lalkana. This video presentation of computer is final for exam supervised by Sir Farhan Ali Surayo. My first topic is history of computer. Number first, abacus, first computer device developed by 500 years ago. It was used to simple addition and subtraction. It contained horizontal wire with beads on them. Number second, Napier bones. John Napier was a Scottish mathematician. He created logarithmic table to facilitate calculations. He also created a device called Napier bone in the 17th century. Device was widely used by accountants and shopkeepers. Number third, Blaise Pascal. He invented a mathematical adding machine in 1642 called Pascaline computer. Number 4, von Leibniz. He developed calculating machine in 1694. It was first calculator to could multiply and divide also. Number 5, Charles Xavier. He invented a machine could perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Number 6, Charles Babbage. He invented a different engine for mathematical calculations in 1822. This engine could perform 16 addition in per minute in 1842. Number 7, Hermann Hollerith. In 1889, applied the idea of punch codes in computer. He used to punch codes for input and output. Number 8, ENIAC, 1943 to 46. Stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. It was invented by J.P. Code and John Mauchly in 1946. It was very large and heavy in size. It consumes 140 kilowatt of power. It could perform 5,000 additions per minute second. Number 9, EDVAC, 1946 to 52. Stands for Electronic Discrete Variable Calculator. It was developed by Dr. Johann von Neumann. Number 10, UNIVAC, 1952. Stands for Universal Automatic Computer. Eckert and Mauchly formed Eckert-Mauchly Computer Corporation in 1947. It was first successful computer. My second topic is computer for individual users. Number first, desktop computer. Most common type of personal computer, also used to communicate, produce music, edit photographs and videos, sophisticated games. Main component of desktop PC system unit such as processing and storage devices. Number 2, workstations. A specialized single-use computer, more power and features than desktop PC. It has large high-resolution monitors and accelerated graphics, handling capabilities, modeling, animation, editing videos. Number 3, notebook. It's shaped by 8.5 by 11 inch. They are also laptop computer. It operates on alternate current and batteries. It is also fully functional microcomputer. It is also called mobile computer. It also designed to docking station. Docking station provide additional ports that enable to be notebook connected to different devices or network in same manner. Number 4, tablet PCs. It is newest developed in portable, also lighter and accept input from a special pen called stylus or digital pen that is used to tap or enter directly on a screen. Number 5, handheld PCs. Popular type of computer is personal digital assistant used for special application such as taking notes, displaying telephone numbers and address, keeping track of dates. PDA also wireless connection. My third topic is inputs and output devices. An input device sends information to a computer system for processing, and an output device reproduce or display the result of that processing. Input devices only allow for input of data to a computer, and output devices only receive the output of data from another device. Inputs: keyboard. Number first, keyboard and mouse accept an input from a user or send that data input to a computer. They cannot reproduce information from the computer. Number two, microphone receives sound generated by input source and that sound sent to computer. Number third, webcam receives image generated by whatever it is pointed at and send those images to computer. Outputs: an output device can receive data from another device and generate output with that data, but it cannot send data to another devices. Number first, monitor receive data from computer and displays that information as text and images for users to view. It cannot accept data from a user and send data to another devices. Number two, project receive data from computer and displays or project that information as text and images onto a surface like a wall or a screen. It cannot accept data from a user and send that data to another device. Number three, speakers received sound data from a computer and plays that sound for user to hear. It cannot accept sound generated by users and send that sound to another device. My fourth topic is common types of network. Number first, LAN, local area network. LAN is one of the most common, original and simplest type of network. LANs connect groups of computer and low voltage devices together across short distances within a building or between a group of two or three buildings. Close proximity to each other to share information and resources. Enterprises typically manage and maintain LANs. Number two, WAN, wide area network, slightly more complex than a LAN. A WAN connects computers together across longer physical distances. This allows computer and low voltage devices to be remotely to connected to each other over one large network to communicate even when they are miles apart. The internet is the most basic example of WAN, connecting all computers together around the world. Because of WAN vast reach, it is typically owned and maintained by multiple administrators or public. Number three, CAN, campus area network, larger than LANs but smaller than metropolitan area network. These types of network typically seen in universities, large K-12 school districts or small business. They can be spread across several buildings that are fairly close to each other so users can share resources. Number four, main metropolitan area network. These type of networks are larger than LANs but smaller than WANs and incorporate elements from both type of networks. MAN span an entire geographic area, typically town or city, but sometimes a campus. Ownership and maintenance is handled by either a single person or company, a local council, large company, etc. Number 5, HAN, Home Area Network. A home area network contained within user home that connects a person digitally devices from multiple computers and their peripheral devices such as printer, telephone, VCRs, DVDs, television, play games, home security systems, smart appliances, fax machine, and other digital devices that are wired into a network. The end. Thanks.